to my channel. This is Raisa. I'm a professional makeup artist, and today we're doing an easy natural makeup look for online classes. Because diba now everything is online. Online meetings, online classes, online shopping, online everything. By the way guys, this is my beautiful model Amber. She's also a student. So for those who are doing online classes, this is for you. So let's get started! Before anything else, always start with a clean face. I'm just gonna use the Garnier Micellar Water. Just make sure that Amber's face is clean. Or you can just wash your face. Using any moisturizer, let's prep the face. This one is from Snail White. Okay. And then moisturize the face. So after the moisturizer, we want to keep the face dewy, fresh, natural. So we're just gonna use a concealer just on the areas where you need it. Like a little bit here and just a little bit under the eyes because Amber already has a very good skin. So just any concealer of your choice. Just these areas here, around the nose, a little bit under the eyes, up. Just very natural, just dab very lightly. For those who want to cover more, you can use a CC cream or a BB cream. You can use this from Fresh Skin Lab, diba? This one is a local brand. You can also use this a little bit here. If you already have a good skin, ayaw use like very heavy foundations because it's always nice to look natural and it's nice na show off yung skin. If you have oily skin, you can powder your face just to make the makeup last longer. But if you have dry to normal skin, you can actually skip the powder. And let's proceed to the brows. So for the brows, I'm just gonna use a brow gel. This one is from 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤 because Amber already has good brows and we just want to keep it, everything natural. With the brow gel, just brush the hair up. So this brow gel is really nice because it adds color and it makes your brows look thicker but natural. So just brush the hair up. So for the eyes, we're gonna use a dark brown eyeliner para di kayo strong, and then just light line. Diba? So very natural. Enhance lang ang shape sa eyes but nothing dramatic. Brown eyeliners are good for everyday natural makeup. And everything I'm using, guys, are affordable. So this is student-friendly, budget-friendly. Okay, then that's it for the eyeliner. Now, mascara. Curl the lashes. Look down. Start from the end, middle, then the innermost. Then apply your favorite mascara. This one is from Maybelline Hyper Curl. This is one of the best, or actually maybe the best, affordable mascara in the market. Apply, get the excess down. Start from the roots, then wiggle, going to the tip of the lashes. It's nice to use mascaras, diba? The look is very natural na, so you just want your eyes to look pretty and you want your eyes to open up, so it's really nice to put on mascara. And it will instantly make your lashes look thicker and longer. Open. See the difference? This one is with mascara and that one bare lang lashes. So, grabe, with lashes lang, no eyeshadow. We're not gonna do eyeshadow. We're not gonna apply eyeshadow today because this is a very natural and good look. So for me guys, ang Maybelline good, they have like the best mascaras. I think master na nila, like even before, sila na good ang best in mascara. Down. Even better than the high-end mascaras. Yeah, I even tried the Dior Show Something.
Oh, Showstopper or something?
Yeah, mas better pag hapon ang Maybelline.
Yeah, it really like holds.
Yeah, not because it's expensive, nice na siya. So really, there are many affordable products na better pa than high-end or like dupes na high-end. Open. Okay, eyes. And of course, apply on the lower lashes. Don't forget the lower lashes. Do you apply some lashes? Sometimes. diba? We just mascara. See? The technique, guys, is ang tip sa mascara, just wiggle it sa lower lashes so that you won't mess up. So, diba? Fresh na. And then, blush. So that's for the eyes. Brow gel, mascara, and a little bit of brown eyeliner. Now, let's proceed to the cheeks. This one is from 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤. This is a very affordable blush. It's a liquid blush. This is like the color 𝙤𝙤𝙡𝙤𝙤𝙠. This is more on a rosy, peachy shade. Bagay ni Amber because she has tan skin. This will look good on tan skin. This is a liquid blush. This is how it looks like. Just first, put it in the back of your hand and then pat. Just get a little amount and then use your fingers to apply. Concentrate on the cheeks. So smile. This is also very affordable. I'm gonna link everything down below. We got this from Shopee. Open. See the cheeks. Very fresh. And you just need a little amount, as in very little. So di siya kas. Even if it's this small, still powerful siya. And this is also good even if like bare skin and we apply. You don't need anything on your face. And it blends smoothly and glides smoothly. Then a little bit the nose para that kind of drunk blush sun-kissed look. And now the cheeks, diba? Very rosy, just fresh cheeks. So sorry guys if say doing fresh, but really this look is about freshness. And of course, don't forget your highlight. This will make your skin glowy. This will make you glow actually. This will make you glow. So highlighter. This one is also an affordable brand. It's a drugstore brand, Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Precious Petals. They're mega highlighter powder. Diba? Kita mo, I didn't use my brush. You can use your fingers for this whole look. With the highlighter, use your fingers, your ring finger, apply on the high peaks of your face, like your cheekbone, under the brows, then a little bit sa bridge of the nose, then a little bit on the tip of the nose, para it will make your nose look slimmer to open up your eyes. So you put also a highlighter in this inner corner. See? We're done with the brows, lashes, blush, highlighter. Now the lips. This is a multi-use product. You can use this for your lips, for your eyes, for your cheeks, diba? So I'm gonna use the same shade for her lips. So just slightly pat, dab. Just very natural, almost like her lip color. It's nice because you have the same shades of lips and blush, so it complements each other. With just 6 products, you can achieve this look. Very fresh, dewy, natural. You can use for your online classes, for your Zoom meetings, or if you just want to take a selfie or for your TikTok videos. Feel lang ni mo na gopak sa balay. Diba? So, diba guys, it's a very easy look. You just have to practice. Okay, so if you want to check out also my skincare routine and also a Lazada makeup haul, I'm gonna link it somewhere here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. Bye!